movie theater. It's the mall. It's my first time coming over here. And the sun is hot. Hi, Papa. Papa. Hi.
Hi.
Just got to the mall. He was taking my pictures for me outside. Wait, where is the... Oh, they got journeys over here too? I didn't know they had journeys. Where is the food court? Hold on. I'm gonna look for the JC Penny down there. I'm looking for the movie theater. I don't know where it's at. I'm gonna have to ask somebody. Is it this? Oh, it's right here. Because I see people standing and I smell the popcorn. It is right here, Cinemark. It's cold in here. Oh my god. Oh. Hey, you go ahead. My baby. Look at me. Look, come on. No, don't do a kissy face. Just look at mommy. Kimani was like, I'm tired of you. Get that on my face. Come here. Oh yeah, you wanna go see what you want? This is what you wanna watch. 310. What do you wanna watch? Which one? Press something. Which one you want? Show me. You said you wanted to see that, Joanna. Lightyear? No, we can't see that. That one, I think we missed that one over there. That's $250. Money. I'm gonna ask you again, which one? Because you keep saying this one. You want to see the Minions?
Minions, the winter.
Not this? This? Will. Oh my god, I don't want to watch that.
Rise of War.
I think we missed that already, Papa. We missed that already. Oh, they have 3D. Oh, yeah. See? The time says 6:15. And next one is 3:25. Oh, 3:25. Oh, I guess we can see the 3:25 one. This one, right? Alright, we're going to see the Minions. I don't even watch these stuff. See what happens when you got a kid, you got to do what he want to do. I don't even watch that. Sir, my baby, so grown. Now you taking out, yo, you took it back out. Took it back out, your shirt. What you want? I don't, where's that? You know Wi-Fi, Papa. There's no, oh, try that one. Yeah, there you go, connecting. You just have to have Wi-Fi everywhere you go. And they got snacks over there. I'm a person that come to movie theater without, like, I usually bring food in the movie theater. I don't like movie theater food. You might eat already. So we got our ticket. I can't believe he changed his mind, but I guess. Because he was talking about that so much, like. Then when we got here, he talking about Minions. I'm like, okay. So we had the snack section. I'm gonna get a popcorn. I'm gonna get a medium size for both of us. So on the ticket. And like he just ate too. So I'm not buying a lot of stuff. But the water is $4. You know the movie theater is expensive. How is looking? The Minions. Alright, I want a small popcorn. A candy they have. M&M's. Lay's. Somebody's Lay's. Oh god. What's in here?
Another small house. So choose one I see.
Prices up there. The prices. I don't know. Medium. I don't think I get the large. But this is full. It's gonna be too much.
How are you?
Hi. Can I have the
Are you paying cash or card?
card?
Okay.
Okay. That tub, is that the medium?
That's the large.
The large.
I don't have medium at the moment, but the only difference is about 45 to 50 cents.
Yeah, let me just get the large.
Okay.
Yeah. How much is the M&M?
$4. Let me change.
Okay, let me just get the popcorn.
Alright, so it'd be $8.16 altogether for you.
The popcorn, the big one. Hi, babe. You're always so serious. The popcorn. Alright, so we're gonna go to the movie theater. We're gonna go sit down. Should I hold it for you? Hold on. Dark as hell. How I see this M? Wait, A, B, C, D, E. Come.
Peanut butter pretzel.
Look at him smiling. Oh, Papa's smiling.
Your business at the movies. She's still upstairs. Want to play soccer? Sure. All right, let's do this.
Come on, Haven. Your turn. Nice shot.
It's not bad. But I don't know.
Oh, nice. Good job.
You know what? Maybe volleyball's my game. I don't know, guys.
I don't know, just because I haven't eaten this in so long, like so long.
But raising
Like,
expectations.
I don't usually eat the popcorn from over there.
That comes with determination.
I bring food. But this tasting is so good right now.
Lifting others even higher. And knowing that recognition is a gift.
Else to have
Look at the
immunity.
box. Movie
My
is not
cousin
yet.
fell asleep in a pocket, and that's why I don't.
Kimani ate most of it. He in the bathroom right now. That's what we just watched. It's so funny. It's mad funny. Not me coming out of Air Paso just now, right there, and anyone to beep. I didn't even buy nothing. But like, I don't understand. All I have in my hand is an umbrella, so I don't know why it's beeping. I think it's Kamani watch because he walked right next to it. But Kamani, had fun?
Have fun.
You have fun?
Have fun?
You like the movie?
Yes.
The movie was funny. Taraji P. Henson is in there. Steve Carell. Oh, we got affordable. What's it called? Yo, I think the last time we took a picture. We took some pictures, Papa. Come, we going to look at the watches. You got a watch on already. But yeah, what I'm saying, Steve Carell and Russell Brand and some other people I don't know. But it was funny. And I don't normally watch cartoons, stuff like that. I don't think I saw. I think I did see the first. I didn't see the second one. I saw the first Minion, but I didn't see the second one or the third one. I think they have a lot of them, right? I don't remember how much. But Kimani love those movies. Alright, so we're in Walmart getting a little stuff, some groceries. Listen, this pizza tastes really very, very good, okay? It's one of my favorite. I think I'm gonna get this one. Oh, they got keto ones too. Let me see this one. Get the keto one. That one is $10. It's like $9.96. I'm gonna go back to this one. I'm not trying to big a lot of stuff. I'm gonna only buy one. Because Come on. I got jasmine rice in a box. I got jasmine rice in a box. Who do that? Get the corn, get your vegetables. Kimani, come over here. Alright, let me get you one of these. Come. Where's the small one at? Is it this one? Why look different? Is it this one? Yeah, he gotta get his vegetables. He don't like broccoli. So I just gave him the mixed vegetables and corn. You want fries? You want fries? Yeah. You don't say nothing. You always, I don't know. Your father probably have fries too. Which one you want? This one? You got the waffle fry. Which one you want? Steak cut? Which one you want? Yeah. Alright. Let's go this way. Walmart is empty. Kind of. Hold on. This will forever be my favorite green tea, man. Look at that. $4, 12 in there. I think now they're selling it for like $125 now. Them bright. Like what? I'm about to get one of these cases. I had it in a while though. I'm trying to see how much stuff I have. Child. I don't know. It's probably gonna be heavy to bring back to Brooklyn. I always shop when I come out here. I don't care. Come on. Let's see what else we need. I think that's it. He went to go get his cookies and I need my oats. I think that's oats. I need oats. You know I have green tea home though. Like I could just drink that up first. I like the tea bag one. Oh, I'm in the wrong. Oh, where the oats at? Oh, come on, Papa. Oh, it's right here. Do you want cereal? Which one? Which one you want? You don't see it? No? You don't know which one you want. You're looking for his cereal. Oops. Oh. Get it? That's what you want. I was Apple Jacks, but that's me. You could just get the big box if you don't get this. This is family size. So now I'll get my oats. Alright, I think I'm gonna get one. Should I get one or two? This is $3? Whole grain. Home. Pasta oats. I love this, snacking on these. I haven't had bread in a while. So, I bought egg. I put egg in the refrigerator. I bought the spiral one. The spiral one. Banana. They're currently not ripe yet. So by the end of the week, they should be good. One of these flavor water. The apple one. And I'll buy another oats. I love oats now. Like oats is my thing now. So oh yeah, I'm gonna buy credit. Like I need in here. This is about it. That's it. And Kimani, I bought some for the Kimani. So, oh yeah, I bought sunscreen. Because, honest to God, I was supposed to get a My little sister told me about a sunscreen from Target. But on Wednesday they didn't have it, so I got this one. I read the reviews and it says good, so hopefully it works for my skin. It's for all skin tones, so, and I put SPF 50, so yeah, for face and body. And it smells good. It smells good. I was smelling some of them. I'm like, I like how it smells. But this is, I paid for something like close to $5, but not $5, for something for this. And my egg. I see Dollar Tree, you wanna, you know, yeah, I'm gonna start buying eggs from Walmart. So, Dollar Tree plain. So yeah, that's my little shopping haul. So I started eating the warm oats, like this hot water and oats, no sweet, nothing, no sugar. But honestly, I had bananas. I put bananas on top of it, and it gives such a good flavor. Instead of me having milk, or sometimes I use the almond milk too. This morning I do it 2 ways. This morning I did the just oats and hot water. That's it. And then I do oats with almond milk, and then I add a banana to it. Or blueberries sometimes, but mostly bananas. So I like it like that. It tastes so good too. It tastes so freaking good. And I think I'm gonna start eating that. That's why I buy so many oats, because I'm gonna start eating oats a lot more often. There's no added sweets, like no milk. I mean, no like condensed milk. You know, in Jamaica we used to eat condensed milk. I'm not gonna do that, because sugar is just not my thing. So I'm just gonna, I'm actually gonna agree, because sugar always ever eat me out. I'm not have time for that. So I'm just gonna use hot water. But yeah, like my shirt. Nah, I'm good. That's my favorite thing to do now. Period. I got it from Five Below. But yeah, so tomorrow's July 4th, and I don't know what I'm doing yet, but I'm gonna find something to do. Honestly, I wanna go to Coney Island. I haven't been to Coney Island in so long. I don't know. I'm gonna figure something out. I'm not staying in the house though, that's for sure. Because I gotta go back to work on Tuesday. I'm gonna have this fun. I'm gonna enjoy this day off, man. At first I was just gonna go to my father's house, because normally my father have a big July 4th party, but like since the pandemic he never had one back. Like since the pandemic he never had one, so he just stopped doing it. And honestly, he be doing that for years. But a lot of people just come and eat. Over it now, he's like, But which I understand, because he was feeding a lot of mouths, which is a good thing though. It's a good thing, but at the same time, it's very, you know, it's a lot of money. Spending a lot of money every year doing that. But it was fun while it lasted. But I'm pretty sure they're still gonna do some little barbecue thing, even though a lot of people are not gonna be there. I'm pretty sure they're gonna do some type of barbecue. I'm trying to see if I should go there instead. I might go over there. I think I should go. I think that's what I should do. I think I should go over there tomorrow. Like early though. Not early, but you know, like midday, like 12-1. Let me not say 12-1, like around 2-3, because I just don't want to go late around late, because what's the sense? I could just leave from work and go over there in the morning. I mean, I could just leave from work there. Leave from there and go to work. Ring. Oh, should I like my comment? Okay, Tosh. Tosh Fierce, like my comments on Instagram. But yeah, I don't know what's my father's house tomorrow. I miss my nephew. Oh my gosh, he's so adorable. He's so freaking adorable. I miss him. I think I'm gonna do that too, because I want to see my nephew. I miss him. I miss him already, and I just saw him for the first time. I think I want to go over there and bother him. should do that. You know what? I might go to Queens for July 4th. And honestly, soon I washed my hair and I left I bought something from Walmart last week and no, the weekend before, and I had just bought it and I used it in my own hair when I braided her hair. And I just washed my hair yesterday or the day before, and I need it. So yeah, I'm gonna go bigger. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I can go to Coney Island at a different time. Yeah, July 4th is not the Coney Island is not the place to go for July 4th, honestly. But I was gonna go midday, but anything can happen in midday too. I was not gonna stay till late at night because Coney Island is crazy. But I just haven't been there in so long. I don't think I'm gonna go there for July 4th, but that's not the right time at all. I'm gonna go to my brother's house. My parents' house, I should say. It's my stepmother and my father. Hopefully my nephew is there. Make a little face. Listen, adorable babies like that, oh my gosh, they make you want to have kids, man. Like, okay, bye. I'm talking too much.